If you've ever felt a draft near your window or noticed your energy bills creeping up during Mandeville's hot, humid summers or cooler winter evenings, air leaks may be part of the problem. Windows are one of the most common areas where conditioned air escapes, especially if they're older or poorly sealed. Fixed picture windows offer a simple yet highly effective solution. Designed without moving parts, these windows are built for airtight performance. For Mandeville homeowners looking to improve comfort and efficiency, fixed picture windows can make a noticeable difference. No moving parts means fewer gaps. Traditional operable windows, such as double-hung or sliding styles, include sashes, tracks, and multiple seals that can wear down over time. As these components age, small gaps may form, allowing outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. Fixed picture windows, on the other hand, do not open. Because they are permanently sealed within the frame, there are no moving joints or sliding tracks where air can leak through. This streamlined construction creates a tighter overall seal, reducing the likelihood of drafts and improving indoor temperature stability. Stronger, more secure seals. Since picture windows are designed to remain closed at all times, manufacturers can engineer them with continuous perimeter seals. These seals are typically reinforced with advanced weather stripping and insulating materials. In Mandeville's humid climate, where moisture and temperature changes can impact building materials, a tightly sealed window helps prevent both air infiltration and unwanted humidity from entering your home. The result is a more comfortable interior environment with fewer temperature fluctuations near window areas. Improved energy efficiency. Air leaks force your HVAC system to work harder. When cool air escapes during summer or warm air escapes during winter, your heating and cooling system must compensate. Fixed picture windows reduce air leakage, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Many modern picture windows also include double or triple pane glass. Argon gas fills between panes. Low emissivity coatings. Insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features work together to reduce heat transfer while preventing air infiltration. For Mandeville homeowners, this means improved comfort and potential savings on energy bills throughout the year. Ideal for large openings. Picture windows are especially effective in large wall openings where air leakage could otherwise be more noticeable. Because they feature expansive, uninterrupted glass panels, they allow abundant natural light while maintaining airtight performance. In living rooms, dining areas, or spaces facing scenic outdoor views, fixed picture windows provide brightness without sacrificing insulation. Reduced maintenance and long-term reliability. Windows with moving parts require periodic maintenance to ensure proper alignment and sealing. Over time, wear and tear can compromise their airtightness. Fixed picture windows eliminate these concerns. With no hardware or mechanical components to maintain, they offer long-term durability and consistent performance. In Mandeville's climate, where humidity can affect materials over time, fewer moving parts mean fewer opportunities for air leaks to develop. Pairing with operable windows. If ventilation is important in certain areas of your home, picture windows can be paired with smaller operable windows on the sides. This combination allows you to enjoy both airflow and the airtight benefits of a fixed center panel. By strategically placing fixed picture windows in key areas, you maximize insulation while still maintaining flexibility in other parts of the home. A smart upgrade for Mandeville homes. Reducing air leaks is one of the most effective ways to improve home comfort and energy efficiency. Fixed picture windows offer a practical solution by eliminating common sources of air infiltration. With tight seals, advanced glass technology, and durable construction, these windows help Mandeville homeowners maintain steady indoor temperatures and lower energy usage. If you're looking for a way to brighten your home while reducing drafts and improving performance, fixed picture windows provide a beautiful and efficient upgrade.